Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? It's your boy Sneak, back with another video. This will be a quick informational video on how to replace your battery and your forward key fob. This one is for a forward focus hatchback. Yours may be for something else, but let's get straight into it. All you want to do is flip it to the back, and you want to pull open this lever and pull your key out. Put a fingernail in that crack, and there you go. Pull it out. But you're gonna want to put portion of your key back in the slot it came out of. Press your finger up against this back part, and you'll be able to pry this open just like that. You see your battery right there. Positive side is facing down. You just use something to pry this out of here. I'm going to use a toothpick, and there you go. For anyone wondering, this is the battery that you'll need, a CR2032. It's a 3-volt lithium battery. This actually doesn't need to be replaced, so I'm gonna put this one back. So you replace your battery, and you put your key fob back together. Make sure it clicks all the way around. There you go. And you put your key back in, and you're good to go. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out, squad.